Hi friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life. So in today's video, you will see my project for our 2023 Christmas Hop and Giveaway YouTube Hop. And so I decided to make this beautiful, very shabby tag mini album in a box. Now, I must give credit where credit is due. And this mini album was inspired, and I did follow most of the tutorial from Tara, and I'll go ahead and link her blog in the description area of this video. And speaking of description areas to the videos, I'm also going to go ahead and leave you the giveaway rules and important dates to remember and the entire hop lineup. Each single one of the channels is doing a giveaway, and I know that the giveaway is going to be the paper collection for our projects, and we've all done something a little bit different. And so the paper collection is called Once Upon a Christmas, which is available now at decorateyourlife.com. You can get the paper pack as well as a digital, and the digital is available at Etsy as well. And also for those of you who love TikTok just as much as I do, it is also available in TikTok Shop. Okay, so oh yeah, and I'll also leave you with a discount coupon code in the description down below. So without further ado, here's my mini album.